how to use Airalo for beginners. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Airalo, and then here, as you can see, you can buy eSIMs. So as you can see, you can buy local eSIMs, regional eSIMs, global eSIMs. So basically, as you can see here, with those eSIMs, you can basically have some data uh, in all countries. And as you can see, these are the prices. So you have 1 GB of data, and it's gonna cost you $9, and it's available in all countries without you having to set up any other accounts. So what you're gonna have to do is simply, as you can see, download the app, choose your destination and package, install your eSIM, and then activate your eSIM, and then you're gonna be able to have data. And you can basically, as you can see, they even have these calls and text options. As you can see, you're gonna get data, calls, and text. So as you can see here, and basically that's all you have to do. And this is how you can use Airalo. So simply choose your country, destination, then click on buy now, and then you're gonna have to activate the eSIM, and then you can simply use those data and SMS and everything in those countries. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.